Hello guys, welcome back. In this short video I'll show you how to restart a VIVO phone. There are a few ways to reboot or soft reset your device. The easiest and most common way is to hold the power button for a second to launch the power menu and restart from there. If pressing the power button launches Google Assistant instead, press the power button and volume up simultaneously to bring up the power menu. Tap the restart option to reboot. Another method allows you to reboot without using physical buttons. Go to Settings, then Shortcuts and Accessibility and find the Accessibility menu option. Turn the shortcut on, and you'll have a convenient button to launch the power menu without pressing any physical buttons. Restart the device from there and give it 10-20 seconds to reboot properly. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching and bye.